Today is the 8th of January 2021, which is a Friday, and the time right now is 10:34 p.m. Budapest time, and this video is about my daily results with Mohini Trade, probably the strongest forex trading robot in the world. Now let's start with that chart, this devilish, diabolical chart right here. You're looking at the DAX 30 as usual with a 15-minute zoom. And you can see my day started somewhere here. Well, you can't really see a gap with a 15-minute zoom, but it was a weird day. I'm not a pro, so I can't really say whether it was a healthy day or not, but it didn't seem very healthy to my untrained eyes. I started the day with a huge handicap because I had a bunch of open positions from yesterday and day before yesterday, from the 7th and the 6th of January. In the amount, actually, when I went to bed, it was in the amount of around $500 or so. If you watch my last video, you can see the exact amount. But when I woke up, I hoped that when I woke up, it would be a much lower amount. But on the other hand, it was a much higher amount because I went to bed here, or well, somewhere here. Yes, right there. And it went up here. So when I woke up, it was around $1,000 worth of open positions. And as you can tell, it went even higher. But then it came down, went up, came down. And at this point, it was around $600 or so. I could have closed my open positions, but I didn't. So it went up again to, guess where? Well, around $900. And here we are. Now, let me show you my results. My results are very crappy for the day, but you can't always have golden days. You see, the day started with Mohini Trade closing a position at $36.91 from the 6th. I believe this was a very, very low position that would never have recovered. So Mohini just closed it because there was no hope for that position, at least at that moment. So there's a bunch of blue ones, but you can see there's a lot of red ones as well, but these are tiny ones, but that one's huge compared, and all the blue ones are super tiny this time, and some of them were buy, some of them were sell, but they were tiny, and I believe it was because Mohini Trade couldn't really open any normal or any nice positions, any meaningful positions, because I had too many open positions, and I'm limited by my capital, and that kind of sucks because I only have $2,000 for capital. Anyways, long story short, at the end of the day, I have $9.13 US dollars, of course. That's the profit for the day, but I still have open positions, which just gives me the creeps. And the open position is in the amount of $955.92. I'm not saying it's the end of the world, because if I was to close these positions right now, which I can't because there's no market right now, but let's say I could close these positions, then I would just freaking lose this money, and I would be back to what now, like $3,000 or so. Well, if you take a look at my balance, it's $3,974.88, and I actually hoped that my account would be double, but it went the other way. The market went against me, and right now the equity, if I was to liquidate these positions, if I was to close these positions, it would be $3,000, which would mean that would be my new balance if I was to close all of these open positions, which I'm not going to do. Normally, I don't like to go to bed on a Friday night with open positions because I like my weekend free and safe of just safe of worries. I don't want to think about trading or Mohini Trade while I'm enjoying my weekends. But nevertheless, this is an experiment on my behalf as well. So I'm just gonna leave these positions in for the weekend, because I have that feeling that there's a slight chance that shit may go down Monday or Tuesday. But I feel dragging positions from the 6th. You see a lot of position from the 6th and from the 7th, and those from the 6th, those aren't as dangerous. Well, actually, yes, they are the dangerous, because the ones from the 7th, well, yeah, those are, no, they are from the 6th as well. So long story short, I'm actually having a little, whatever moment, like whatever, two chit chats in a Z formation. So I'm just leaving it up to the chance at this point, and this pretty much tells you, probably if you're an experienced trader, this pretty much tells you that I have no experience whatsoever or no training whatsoever in risk management or money management. But honestly, this is Mohini Trade. This is a trading robot. I'm not supposed to understand everything, all the little details about trading. As a matter of fact, I don't even care. I don't even want to learn it. I had some comments from some Forex guys on my Hungarian channel, and those guys were nice. They actually meant it as a constructive criticism. And I probably can learn a lot from their comments, but honestly, I don't want to. And not that I'm stubborn, but I don't care about day trading. You know what I care about? Using this robot, writing perfect sets or sets that work well or sets that work optimal at least. So far I'm still good because you see, still that. And Monday morning, I'll probably start my day very early in the morning to see how the market opens. And I'm still going to consult with myself during the weekend whether I should close this position first thing Monday morning or not. But I have that feeling that there's a slight chance that shit goes down every Monday morning. Like, well, the 4th is not a good example because the 4th was a good Monday. But before the 4th, it was only December 18th, 19th, or 30th. No, 30th, yeah. So, yeah, it just went up, but then it went down. I'm not saying, well, this is the first trading day of the year, but I have a chance that shit will go down. You know that saying, what goes up must come down, and now I think we're pretty up there. So I'm hoping for the best and preparing for the worst. Ladies and gentlemen, this was my video for Friday night. Have yourself a fantastic weekend, and thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. Give me a like, give me a comment, share this video. Let other people learn from my stupidity. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.